Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna have this 350z HR full bolt-on no tuned versus this Civic Sport hatch. It's in manual transmission and it's on E30 with full bolt-on. So he raced a DE before, but back then he was running about 260 wheel on a 91 tune, but now he's on E30, so he's estimating it to be about 295 to 305 wheel, whereas the HR has about 290 wheels, so it'll be a really interesting race. I am running in the Civic, so that puts, you know, the weight advantage kind of goes down with me. And then we're just gonna do a 40 and 60 roll and then see how it goes. Alright, so the 40 roll, the HR got it out by about a car and a half at the start, and it continued to pull. I'm pretty sure it's because of the NA aspect of it. And then for the 60 roll, unfortunately, we could only get to 55 because there wasn't much road. But in the 55 roll, the Civic it was hanging in there for the first 15 to 20 miles per hour, but then the Z once again started to pull out. So I don't know, man. I've been looking for a challenger for the Z, but I haven't found one yet that can beat it. So I'll continue to search, but hopefully you guys like that video, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.